Hello Windows Insiders. Today Microsoft releasing Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 26020 to the Canary channel. What's new in Build 26020? Extended languages, multi-display support, and custom commands for voice access. Extended language support. Voice access extended to support other languages such as French, France, French, Canada, German, Spanish, Spain, and Spanish, Mexico. When voice access is turned on for the first time, you will be prompted to download a speech model to enable on-device recognition of voice data. In case voice access does not find a speech model matching your display language, you can still choose to proceed ahead to use voice access in English, United States. You can always switch to a different language by navigating to settings greater than language on the voice access bar. Multi-display support. You can now use all voice access features on multiple displays, including number and grid overlays which were previously unavailable on any display other than the primary one. The grid overlay feature has been further developed to allow you to not only interact with the screen you are currently using, but also quickly switch to another display. You can also use the drag and drop feature to move files, apps, and documents from one display to another. After invoking the grid overlay, use to quickly shift to focus to another display. You can use either the alphabet or NATO phonetic in your command. For example, B or Bravo would both be valid as shown in the above screenshot. You can also use the accelerated command, mouse grid, to quickly move your mouse to a specific point on a specific display. In this case we used mouse grid A114, as shown in the above screenshot. Voice shortcuts. Microsoft introducing voice shortcuts are custom commands to enable you to create your very own command. This is currently available if you use voice access in English. Creating commands that map to single action, such as opening a URL, or a series of actions performed in sequence, is easy. To get started, say, "What can I say?" and click on the Voice Shortcuts tab on the left panel, or use the command, Show Voice Shortcuts, to directly launch the Voice Shortcuts page. Then, click on the Create Command button to begin the process. Create a command by using either voice or any other input modality. Give it a name, select one or multiple actions, fill in the necessary information and then click Create. Your command is now ready to be used. You can view all the voice shortcuts you have created either from the Command Help page or by using the command, Show Voice Shortcuts. Natural Voices Previews in Narrator. Microsoft introducing previews for natural voices of 10 new locales launched in September 2023. As a reminder, those natural voices include Chinese, Spanish, Spain, Spanish, Mexico, Japanese, English, UK, French, Portuguese, English, India, German and Korean. These previews will allow the users to listen to the natural voices before downloading the voice model. Natural narrator voices use modern, on-device text-to-speech and once downloaded are supported without an internet connection. Please note to listen to the previews, an internet connection is required. To use one of the natural voices, add it to your PC by following these steps. Open narrator settings by pressing the Win plus Control plus N hotkey. Under narrator's voice, select the Add button next to add natural voices. Select the voice you want to install. You can install all voices, but you must install them separately. The preview will play automatically once you navigate through the list. If you like the preview, click on Download and install. The new voice will be downloaded and ready for use in a few minutes, depending on your internet download speed. When the new voice has downloaded, in narrator settings select your preferred voice from the drop-down menu in narrator's voice greater than choose a voice. Changes and improvements. General. Starting with this build, the WordPad and People apps will no longer be installed after doing a clean install of the OS. In a future flight, WordPad will be removed on upgrade. WordPad will not be reinstallable. WordPad is a deprecated Windows feature. Steps Recorder will not receive further updates and is planned for removal in a future Windows release. Starting in this build, Steps Recorder will display a new banner notification to guide users towards alternative options. We encourage our users to explore other options in Windows 11 such as Snipping Tool, Xbox Game Bar or Microsoft Clipchamp. Taskbar and System Tray. For PCs that are plugged in and do not have batteries, such as desktop PCs, when you turn on Energy Saver, new Energy Saver icon that is shown in the system tray to indicate Energy Saver is on. For PCs with batteries, there is no change to the experience, and you will continue to see the leaf icon overlaid on top of the battery icon in the system tray. As a reminder, Battery Saver is now Energy Saver with extended capability as of build 26002. Task Manager. Improved process grouping in the Processes page for Task Manager. Printing. Added the ability to pause and resume print jobs in print queue for printers under settings greater than Bluetooth and devices greater than printers and scanners. This allows you to pause printing when maintenance is required for your printer, such as replacing a printer cartridge. Jobs submitted are held by the spooler until the print queue is unpaused by clicking Resume in Settings. The ability to rename your printer directly here in these settings is coming in a later flight. Windows Share. The Windows Share window will now only show apps under Share Using that are tied to the account you are signed into Windows with, either Microsoft Account MSA or Microsoft Entra ID, previously Azure Active Directory. If you are signed in with an MSA, you will see Microsoft Teams Free instead of Microsoft Teams Work or School, and not both, for example. The Windows Share window now supports sharing with WhatsApp under the Share Using section. If you don't have WhatsApp installed, you can choose to install it from Windows Share window directly. Over time, we plan to try this experience out with other apps as well. Nearby Sharing. Introducing the ability to quickly give your device a more friendly name to identify sharing to and from with Nearby Share under Settings greater than System greater than Nearby Sharing. That's all in this build 26020. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe our channel.